Welcome to Digital World. In Nomadism around the world today, we will analyze the village of Canggu in Bali, Indonesia. Canggu is home to many digital nomads, especially for those who like a more tranquil environment with a great variety of temples and local foods, who enjoyed surfing and relaxing on the beach or spa, but also for those who do not miss a nightclub. Canggu is a coastal village with 10 kilometers of beach on the south coast of Bali. The economy revolves around tourism, due to its natural wealth and low cost of living. Scores by category. Fun, 8. Safety, 8. English speakers, 5. Walkability, 6. Peace, 6. Traffic safety, 4. Medical care, 5. Happiness, 5. Nightlife, 8. Free Wifi in the city, 8. Places to work, 10. Friendly with foreigners, 10. Freedom of expression, 6. Racial tolerance, 8. Friendly with women, 8. Friendly with LGBTQI+ group, 8. Starting a startup, 6. Average, 7. Digital Nomads Guide. Average day, 29 days. Average internet speed, 21 megabits per second. Power, 230 volts, 50 Hz. Best neighborhood to stay in, Borough. Best transport app, Gojek, but you can rent a scooter. Travel medical insurance, Safaduin. Best internet operator, XL. There's no tipping culture. Credit card is not used. Best workspace, Dojo. It is not safe to drink tap water. The government has religion. Apartment rentals, Airbnb. Short flight airline, AirAsia. Best hospital, BIMC Hospital. Cost of living. Cost of living for a digital nomad, $1,100 a month. Cost of living for an expatriate, $740 a month. Cost of living for a local, $480 a month. Rent a studio downtown, $345 a month. Co-working, $240 a month. Hotel, average of $410 a month or $20 a night. Dinner, average $3. Soda 300 milliliters, 35 cents. Beer 500 milliliters, $1.76. Coffee, $1.73. Rent a scooter $3.45 day. Climate and pollution throughout the year. Canggu is hot and humid all year round, with July to October being the least rainy months. Avoid spending too much time in the sun and always use sunscreen. Solar radiation is high year-round. The average air quality in Bali is poor and tap water is not drinkable, but in Canggu it is better. It has a lot of green area, but it is possible that there is garbage in the streets. Pros and cons. Pros: low cost of living, very safe, fast internet, lots to do, hot all year round, average good air quality, easy to make friends, easy to do business, democratic, safe for women, family friendly and LGBTQI+ group friendly. Cons: very humid, many people smoke and there are many foreigners all year round, poor education, bad hospitals, dangerous roads, people do not speak English very well, and freedom of expression is weak. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, and comment on which city to review in the next video. Check out the links in the description and see you in the next video.